Mamata Banerjee has yet again cut short the time for immersion of idols on Durga Puja. This, as it is Muharram the next day, and marches to mourn the Prophet begin on the evening. If paths cross, communal flare-ups can be likely.
She made no bones about why the restriction. Immersion only till 6 p.m. on 30th September, nothing on 1st October, Muharram. From the 2nd, immersions as normal. Last year, the exact same scenario had played out, but High Court had rebuked the state for trying to pamper and appease the minority at the cost of the majority. BJP is repeating that today.
কেবল মুসলিম তোষণ এবং ভোটের জন্য পশ্চিমবঙ্গকে চক্রান্ত করে জিহাদিদের হাতে তুলে দেওয়া হচ্ছে
It's a wise decision on her part because communal tension is there now prevailing in our state. Just few days before the incident took place in Baduria and Bashirhat.
Despite the restrictions, last year saw some communal eruptions across the state during the Dashami Muharram period. Now, Mamata Banerjee is playing safe administratively. Politically, she may have taken some risks. In Kolkata, with G.D. Shankar, Monideepa Banerjee, NDTV.